Good evening, everyone. I have to make an apology because I will have to join the first grade of Tamil here because I learned to speak Tamil at home and I could understand it and speak it, but I never went to school to learn to read and write Tamil. But if you think that languages are not important, I can tell you that I learned 6 languages by the time I was 15 years old. So I learned Tamil, English, Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, and French. And it is known that as children develop, if you learn languages, it makes it easier for you to learn languages, or in fact anything in life at a later stage. It is really directly related to your ability for your mind to understand different concepts. So I want to also say that I'm really touched and impressed by the dedication of all the parents and all the children who are taking part in this activity, because this is very important for our community. If you look at all the other communities that are in our area, the Chinese, the Jewish people, Korean people, and so on, all of them do exactly what you're doing, of encouraging their children to learn the language and the culture. And this is very important. I still feel that although I'm at an academic institution, I'm still a student. I'm learning from my students, from my colleagues, as well as from my friends and people in the community. So I really see myself as a student till the day I die. So it is very important for you to have that attitude. And I'm really humbled to be paired with Dr. Venu Prabhakar, who I have known here for 35 years in this community. And he's a model citizen and has been doing so much for the community, as have so many of you. So thank you very much for this wonderful activity. I wish you success. If there's any way I can help you in terms of mentoring or showing the appropriate path for your students or for your own children, please do not hesitate to call on me. Thank you very much.
Oh, where a battery is there?
Mikan Andrea. So